The Bible offers numerous teachings about money, stewardship, and avoiding debt. These principles provide a framework for managing finances responsibly and living within one's means. Proverbs 22:7, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender." This verse highlights the dangers of debt. It can lead to a loss of freedom and create bondage. By avoiding debt, individuals can maintain control over their lives and resources. Psalm 37:21, "The wicked borrow and do not repay, but the righteous give generously." This emphasizes the importance of honoring financial commitments and being trustworthy in all monetary dealings. Romans 13:8, "Let no debt remain outstanding, except the continuing debt to love one another." While this verse primarily addresses moral obligations, it also underscores the value of resolving debts promptly and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. By applying these principles, individuals can adopt habits that prioritize saving, budgeting, and wise spending over accumulating debt. Using biblical wisdom as a foundation, here are actionable steps to achieve financial independence. A. Create a budget. Stewardship. Treat your income as a gift from God and manage it wisely. Use tools like zero-based budgeting, assigning every dollar a purpose, to ensure intentional spending. B. Avoid unnecessary borrowing. Resist societal pressures to keep up with the Joneses. Delay purchases until you can afford them outright, aligning with Proverbs 21:20. "The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down." C. Build an emergency fund. Preparation. Prepare for unexpected expenses to avoid relying on credit cards or loans during emergencies. Follow Joseph's example in Genesis 41, where he stored provisions during times of abundance to prepare for famine. D. Pay off existing debt strategically. Employ methods like the debt snowball, paying off small debts first, or debt avalanche, paying high-interest debts first. Pray for wisdom and discipline throughout the process, trusting God's provision. James 1:5. E. Practice contentment. Focus on gratitude for what you have, rather than longing for what you don't. Hebrews 13:5. Keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have. Recognize that material wealth does not define true success or happiness. Living without debt isn't just a financial goal, it has profound spiritual implications. Peace of mind. Financial stress often leads to anxiety, but living debt-free fosters peace and reliance on God's provision. Philippians 4:6-7. Integrity and trustworthiness. Paying off debts and avoiding new ones demonstrates integrity, which reflects God's character. Proverbs 11:3. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and don't miss pressing the notification button to receive new content.